I dash. Dinner before 8 p.m. A. Finish. B. Finished. C. Had finished. Choose the synonym of quiet. A. Noisy. B. Calm. C. Loud. Choose the antonym of soft. A. Gentle. B. Rough. C. Polite. I succeeded, passing the test. A for B2C in. He not understand the question. A, do. B, did. C, does. Choose the correct sentence. A, she go to college every day. B, she goes to college every day. C, she going to college. We stayed at hotel near the airport. A, B, and C, the. Antonym of present. A. Absent. B. Late. C. Early. Choose the correct spelling. A. Separate. B. Separate. C. Separate. Bite the bullet means A. Chew hard. B. Endure pain bravely. C. Eat fast. He has been waiting morning. A. For. B. From. C. Since. The girl, along with her friends going. A. Is B. Are C. Were. Synonym of angry A. Happy B, calm C. Furious. The opposite of success is A. Fail. B. Defeat. C. Failure. He prefers coffee-tea. A, then B, over C, too. Choose the correct preposition. She is afraid, spiders. A, for. B, of. C, with. She was born March 2001. A, in. B, on. C, at. He has idea what you're talking about. A, any. B, no. C, some. I saw him dash the building. A, entered. B, entering. C, enters. A piece of cake means A, a dessert. B, very easy. C, a small part. The bus before I reached the stop. A, left. B, has left. C, had left. Antonym of strong. A, weak. B, brave. C, fit. Choose the correct sentence. A, they was tired. B, they were tired. C, they is tired. Elephant has a long trunk. A, B, an. C, the. The synonym of begin is A, finish. B, end. C, start. Let the cat out of the bag means A, lose your pet. B, reveal a secret. C, run away. I don't know where she dash. A is BR, C was. He succeeded passing the test in B to C at. She TV when I called. A watches. B watched. C was watching. Synonym of beautiful. A, ugly. B, pretty. C, bad. Choose the correct sentence. A, she don't like it. B, she doesn't likes it. C, she doesn't like it. I am looking forward to dash. You. A. See. B. Seeing. C. Saw. The lights dash turned off last night. A. Was B. Were. C. Is. The antonym of happy is A. Cheerful. B. Sad. C. Joyful. On cloud nine means A. Very happy. B. Very angry. C. Very tired. He is capable dash handling pressure. A to B for C of. I dash him since last year. A know, B knew, C have known. Which sentence is correct? A. Me and him are friends. B. He and I are friends. C. Him and I are friends. Choose the antonym of fast. A. Rapid. B. Slow. C. Quick. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is hiding dash the couch. A. Under. B. On. C. In. She dash English fluently. A. Speak. B. Speaks. C. Speaking. I had my house dash. A. Painting. B. Painted. C. Paints. Antonym of clever. A. Smart. B. Foolish. C. Bright. Synonym of danger. A. Safety. B. Risk. C. Peace. Spill the beans means A. Waste food. B. Reveal a secret. C. Get angry. The teacher told us dash quiet. A. B. B. To be. C. Being. I dashed to the party if I had time. A would have gone, B will go, C would go. I'd rather dash at home tonight. A. Stay. B. Staying. C. Stayed. I can't help dash when I watch comedy shows. A. Laughing. B. Laugh. C. To laugh. He is interested dash learning languages. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.